Hello, my name is Trin. I'm the Program Chair of Healthcare and Wellness Management. As you have seen, healthcare is a new megatrend. People are now more concerned with longevity and living a healthy life. There are three main benefits of choosing the healthcare and wellness major. First, you learn from renowned experts who lead public and private sectors organizations in healthcare and wellness sector in Southeast Asia. Second, our program focuses on practical learning and provide exclusive company visits to leading healthcare and wellness organizations, bridging the gap between the classroom and the real-world practices. Third, you gain access to influential network of clinicians, healthcare professionals, and innovators in the healthcare sector. So, if you're interested in leading the healthcare and wellness sector, join the HWM program.